What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's pretty early in the morning. Let's see if we can catch a restock at this Target. Let's see if they got anything new here. That's new. Escort Ultra Hot. Oh, here's the new set. Corvette. What are the ones that I'm not seeing though? Another Escort. That's really pretty. Well, I'm gonna leave it behind for now. God, that's pretty. We'll see it again, I'm sure. No new race days. Had a great hunt with TJ, guys. If you didn't see it, go check it out. They got another old case here. What the heck? J case. Here's some Target Reds right on the front. That's a good indicator of the status of the main lines, I think. Oh my god. Whoa. I don't have a lot of time. Okay, there's not many in here as it looks. This doesn't go down very far. Okay, so yeah, it looks like there's more in there than there actually is. So, I think it's a last minute Christmas restock. Nothing I really want though. Pretty good looking Super right there with that spoiler, it looks awesome. That actually might be one of the better looking Supers I've ever seen. I love that wing. Oh my god, I'm in a Publix and it's so full. Whoa. Alright, we're going through every one of these cars. There's so many. What case is this? This is an old P case. There is an old P case here. Imagine they just put it out and I find the Datsun. Alright, well here's the treasure hunt right up front. So this looks like it's a Q case. It's a good one. We haven't seen this guy in a long time. I've already seen 2 dud dripped wagons, so they must have gotten 2 cases. We're halfway done. Alright, I went through all of them. There's a couple notables. There's a bunch of Vipers, a bunch of these Porsches. There was not even the main line of a Datsun, which should have carried over for this case, right? I'm missing, there's a bunch of cars missing, so I'm definitely not first, but it's pretty cool to see this. And if you've never believed Hot Wheels are mass produced, this is proof, because these are all from last year. So will we see this year's cars next year? Have to wonder. It's a new day and we're checking out this Target again. Alright, not only is it crazy here, it looks pretty empty. That's okay, because I don't want to wait in that line. Welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed those 3 videos with me and TJ. I always love making them with him. And hopefully we can do more and more in the future as time goes on. But for now, you're stuck with me again. We're starting this video off at a Walmart. Straight over to the premiums. See if they got anything cool that I haven't seen. Nah, this is the same old stuff. So did they not get a restock yet? You know what? It's minivan time. If I don't find anything else. So it is Sunday before Christmas. It's not too crazy in here, believe it or not. You'll be seeing this on Christmas Eve. I saw someone got the new Fast and Furious Viper from Tokyo Drift. Great nuts, I'm talking about you. I'm not seeing anything different than when TJ and myself were here. Oh wait, here's some new stuff. Jeep Wrangler. Ooh. Ford Co. Oh, a Mustang. Oh man, this wasn't here when TJ was here. These are definitely new. Jeep. So like, what's the cooler car? This Mustang is actually pretty cool. These are all cool. Well, I don't really want the Jeep. Take a picture for my friend Mariah. She has a pink Jeep at one point. This thing's pretty cool. I think we'll see it again though. There's a bunch of them. The Mustang I'm not sure of. I'm gonna keep that in my hand, just in case. Oh wait, there's a whole bunch of them down here too. Whoa. So, what is the best car here? Do they really not have any, like, super cool ones? Like, I'd say the Mustang is the cooler. And then, like, the Toyota GR86 or FRS or whatever it was in the last series was cool. But this time around, I guess it's maybe... I kind of like this truck more than the Mustang. How many Mustangs are there, and how likely are we to see them? Probably very likely, right? Yeah, there's a couple of them. Yeah, we're gonna see it again. Today might be truck and minivan day, guys. Thinking truck and minivan. A whole bunch more of them over here. They're just not that popular, so they sit around forever. Matchbox are full, but these are old. I have all of them. Quick glance to make sure there's a Super Chase I'm not missing. Oh, you know what? I haven't seen this guy in a while. This is always a good one to take. Throw another one up in the collection. Dump bin, but I don't think it's been refilled since I was here with TJ. Okay, now on to Lisa's Christmas present, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Let's see, what's the status of the Hot Wheels here? I think this dump bin might have had another A case dropped on top of it, because I found a couple of these cars here, so I'm gonna go through it carefully. Actually, this is Q case. Yeah, so let's see if there's something that I don't have that I can find in here. There are a ton of cars in here, nothing we don't already have, but I don't know how fresh it is. There's definitely some cool stuff in here. I'm gonna keep digging and maybe something will show up. It's crazy in this store. I don't see anything new though. Looks like the new series, if there is any, are gone, or I'm probably gonna find them at Target. Really not sure. Oh, look at this. It's a dump of these things. What could be in here? Anything good? Were these just stocked? I gotta go through all these. No Chase, that would have been really cool, but there's a whole bunch of sets of the exotic under here, so maybe check your Walmart. If there was Chases, they're already gone, and it would have been this Porsche here. But, no big deal. I have all of them. I don't really have a need for any of them. The only one I really like is the Reventon, but I have it, and I don't need a duplicate. So, that's a cool find on the way out. Alright, so it's actually Christmas Eve now for me as well. For you, it's Christmas Day, and I am about to go on a hunt on Christmas Eve to see how crazy it is to make tomorrow's video, Thursday, hopefully. If there's no video tomorrow, I really apologize. But let's go over what we got. We found a bunch of cool stuff in this video. We ran into a dump bin with a bunch of Q case Hot Wheels in it, right? Q case, yeah. And there wasn't anything I didn't have, but I picked up a couple more of these cars. Here, we got a 95 Mazda RX-7, Ford Mustang Dark Horse, and another Ford Mustang Dark Horse. We're going to do a few customs on these. Found another one of these, blue Toyota 4Runners. This is always a really nice one to pick up. I have one opened, but I never had another one carded. So I went ahead and grabbed this, and we'll put this into the collection. I love this color blue. It is my favorite, absolute favorite color blue. Let's give it a good old sun check. This is the color that I would want on my next car. I mean, it really depends. This car actually kind of came in a blue color like that, but it wasn't the right shade, and it just didn't look right. So there are some blues that don't work with certain cars. That being said, this is the exact color blue I want on a car. Maybe darker too. But there is a Porsche 911 GT3 that is blue like this. There's actually a Hot Wheel of it too, and it is beautiful. And then we got this guy, the Matchbox Collectors 1953 Ford Co. This thing's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is very cool. Out of all the ones they had there, this is the one that I ended up choosing. And yeah, I think it's a really cool looking truck. I'm probably gonna open it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna open it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's just open it, because you know what? There's a million of these things here. So if I ever want to get one in a package, it's not like it's hard to get. Let's see how this thing is. Actually, this is my first Matchbox Premium opened. So So basically it's a super chase. Oh, well, along the lines of a super chase, because the super chase has rubber wheels. This thing's pretty cool. Does it open like moving parts? No, it doesn't. Okay, I like it. It's not as beefy or premium feeling as a Hot Wheel premium, but it is a Moon Eyes too. I didn't even realize that. Let's do a flat black sun check. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. Something a little different. I love the way it's spelled out like that. It's got the little logo in the middle. Speed Specialty Performance Products. Heck yeah. Well, another little card to go on display there. Congratulations to our 3 winners of the giveaway. CA9448, John Ashley, and B Doggy. B Doggy, you still haven't messaged me, so go ahead if you're watching and check out the comment on my contest giveaway video, or just email me, MikesHobbyPlanet@gmail.com. You are the 3rd winner. You're the only one that hasn't come forward yet. I'm giving you a week so you can get that prize. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I just had to make a little extra piece here before we do really end this video, because I opened the Bugatti for the intro. Wow. This is actually, like I said, my first Bugatti. If you saw the video where I found this, I mentioned that I don't have a Veyron. And boy, oh boy, this thing does not disappoint. Really, really nice casting here, guys. If you see one, grab it.